Welcome back to Product Bakar. Here is the truth every product manager building AI products learns quickly. Your team looks different. It's no longer just designers and engineers. Now you've got data scientists, ML engineers, and sometimes even research scientists in the mix. And while that's exciting, it also creates a challenge. How do you work effectively with data heavy teams when you're not the data scientist yourself? That's exactly what we are going to unpack today. First, let's demystify the team. Data scientists, they explore data, build data models, and experiment with algorithms. Their job is more research driven. Machine learning engineers, they take models and make them production ready, scalable, reliable, and integrated into your product. Software engineers, they handle the broader product stack, APIs, and infrastructure. As a product manager, you don't need to code models, but you do need to understand who does what. That clarity builds respect, avoids mismatched expectation. So, where do product managers come in? Very first, translate the business into models. Data team thinks in probabilities, loss functions, and training sets. You translate that into user value and business outcomes. For example, instead of saying build a better model, say help sales representative save 2 hours of day by auto logging notes. Second, frame the problems, not solutions. Don't dictate algorithms. Frame clear problems. Example, users drop off after step 3. Data teams explore the predictive models to reduce the friction. Third, prioritize the feasibility. Data object needs data. If you don't have enough data, the project may be doomed before it starts. Your role is to ask, do we have the data? And is it clean enough? Fourth, define success beyond accuracy. Remember, metrics that matter aren't just accuracy. That's what we talked about in episode 9 of the season. You define success as adoption, trust, effort saved, or business impact. AI teams often fail not because of tech, but because of communication gaps. Here are few product manager moves that makes collaboration smoother. Shared language, learn the basic ML terms so you can follow discussions. You don't need to be an expert, but you need to speak enough of the language. Transparency. Keep the stakeholders aligned on uncertainty, AI projects, experiments, not guarantees. Iteration. Encourage a test and learn approach. Don't wait for perfect model. Ship, learn, and refine. And one underrated skill, protecting your team. Data scientists hate being asked for AI magic. As product manager, set realistic expectation with leadership so your team can actually deliver. So here is the bottom line. Working with data scientists and engineers on AI teams isn't just about knowing every detail of the model. It's about being the translator, the prioritizer, and the protector. If you can bridge this business goal with data realities, your team will trust you and your product will thrive. This was Product Bakar episode How to Work with Data Scientists and Engineers on AI Teams. Follow the show for the next episode AI Ethics, where PM must draw the line.